Anyway, I was asking by JP Arceo, did I learn how to drive a car when he seen in my Instagram post? Actually no. I've never learned how to drive a car. Usually, I'm not. Look at um, my dude, Ronald Rebena. He learns how to drive a car. Oh, I was told by Patrick Quezon, he is 28 years old or 29. But he learned. Not usually, I never enroll in driving school because me, I cannot. Oh. And you know what, guys? I never learned how to drive a car. My cousin Arion learned how to drive a car. Oh, Ronald Rebena, me and Luis Cabales, we never drive a car. But me, I just posted there in Instagram. I drive a car. Oh, and then I posted in TikTok. Oh, just like Rafa. Oh, Rafa Soko, he posted in Instagram or in TikTok. He drive a car. Or Rafa Soko learns how to bike. Oh, me, I learned how to bike since the time I was with my cousin Arion. No, Arion taught me how to bike, right? Since years of Tito Mac, I learned how to bike. I hope Yumi Makalintal, I asked Kuya Jojo Makalintal, learn Yumi Makalintal, learn how to drive a bike. Oh, learn it. And especially, who learn how to drive a bike? My friend Jude Goles, he didn't learn how to drive a motorcycle. Oh, usually he never learned how to drive motorcycle, especially Jens Manaid. O Jens and I, we didn't learn how to drive a car. As usual, I didn't.